Season's greetings to your family from the Pizza Hut family.
Hi, my name is Tashana Boucher from New Kingston Pizza Hut, sending season's greetings to my sons, Kavella and Rajay, and also the Pizza Hut family. Have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes. Mwah!
Hi everyone, my name is Cass Brown from the New Kingston location. Just want to send greetings to my 3 kids, all the team members at the New Kingston location, my family and friends. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi guys, it's Deandra Burnett from the Pizza Hut New Kingston, sending season greetings to my family, friends, my daughter, Chelsea, big her up, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes.
Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa at the New Kingston Pizza Hut, sending greetings to my friends and family and also the RJ group. Wishing you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hi, my name is Javin Anderson from New Kingston, sending season's greetings to all families and friends.
My name is Kimisha Brown from the New Kingston Pizza Hut. I would like to send season greetings to my family and friends across the world. Big up my cousin Candy in Canada, Damar, big up sister and brother Baltimore. Big up the Prince Albert Street girls them. You don't know. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Pizza Hut New Kingston. Woo!
Season's greetings to your family from the Pizza Hut family.
It's a season to share, more to give. Pizza Hut amazing 4+, more to share this Christmas. It's a season to share.
Get more to share this Christmas with the amazing 4+ from Pizza Hut. 1 amazing 4 pizza, family-sized cheese sticks or Cinnasticks, and a 2-liter Pepsi, all for $3,950. Part proceeds support hurricane relief. Order for call and collect delivery WhatsApp or at pizzahutjamaica.com. Pizza Hut, feeding good times.